Start in the name of Allah. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Now it's time to start our work. Welcome in class KG1. My name is Seher Gill. I'm your class teacher. Today we are going to start our English work. Open the page number 7 and our topic is capital letters. Again, capital letters. Again, capital letters. What is this? A. And this is capital A. Again, capital A, capital A, capital A. What is this? Small a. What is this? Small a. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. In your life, you always listen the name of your parents, your colleagues, and your friends, and their names are started from the capital letters. Okay, now look at here. Dad. Who is he? Dad. The first letter is D, and this is capital. Annie. The first letter is A, and this is capital A. Grandpa. Grandpa. Grandpa is also a name. That's why it starts from capital G. Grandma. What is this? Yes, capital G. Grandma. Mum. The first letter is M, and this is capital. Yasmin. The first letter is Y, and this is also capital Y. Raza. What is the name of this boy? Raza. That's why we use capital letter. R is capital. Dad, Annie, Grandpa, Grandma, Mum, Yasmin, Raza. Okay? You have to learn this page with the help of your parents. Now this is your copy work. Now look at here. 15 April 2021, and the day is Thursday. Topic: alphabets. Wow, what is this? Capital and small letters. You love to learn this? Okay, hold your pencil. First of all, you have to count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you start writing capital letters, you start from the first line. Down, 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 stop. Again, start from the first line. Down, down, and stop. And put the line over here. Okay? And turn, turn, go up, make a curve. Come down, make a loop. This is small a. What is this? Capital B. Start from the very first line, come down, 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 and stop. Turn like this, then again turn, touch the bottom. Okay, this is capital B. Small b. Start from the first line, come down, 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 and stop. Then again start from the second line, turn, and touch the bottom. This is small b. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. You have to write all the page. Okay? This is your activity. Write the beginning sound of pictures. What is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. You have to write here the letter from which this picture is start. Okay? Like this. Very good. What is this? Aeroplane. And what is this? Butterfly. What is this? Balloon. What is this? Ball. First of all, you have to recognize all the pictures. Then write here the beginning sound. B balloon, B balloon, B ball, B butterfly, A aeroplane, A apple. Okay, this is your homework. Do it on your neat copy. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.